Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today weather was really nice. It was raining outside and super cold, and I was feeling really cozy inside my blanket, but I was hungry, so I decided we'll make today besan chilla. We are going to take a bowl with besan. I added some kasturi methi, some ajwain, garam masala, red chili powder, black pepper, haldi, some pyaz, and after adding water I made this slurry and I let it rest for 20 minutes. Then we took a hot non-stick pan and I just spread the chilla over it and I'll let it to dry, and then only I'll flip it. And after flipping, this is how it comes out, and it was really tasty. I was not expecting it to be this yum, but it was really nice. I really enjoyed it, watching the view outside and enjoying my food. It was a nice Saturday morning that I really appreciate. It was super crispy and yum. So yeah, this was it for this video. See you in the next. Bye bye.